and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be doing another road vehicle here, and we're going to be building this 1980 Ford Bronco. This is what it looks like all around. There's not much detail you can do at this scale, so let's get right into it. So the first step is to come wherever the front of your truck's going to be and put 4 stone brick walls like this. In front of it, we're going to open a spruce fence gate on either side and 2 dark oak fence gates in the middle. Behind it on each side, a block of coal, and then 2 smooth sandstone slabs in between it here. Then behind that, we're going to do a 3x4 of smooth sandstone slabs coming out to each side. And behind that, a block of coal on each side and 2 slabs in the middle again. Then behind that, we'll do a single row of 4 smooth sandstone slabs, and at the back, 4 stone brick walls. Then, on the corner of this wall, a birch sign, then a birch sign here, then a warp sign, then 2 birch signs again, and a birch sign here. Come on the front, put a birch sign on the side here, and here. Then we're going to put a stone button on the side of all 4 wheels here. Then take out gray terracotta here, and we're going to put one on the front here and here, and come behind it. We're going to come in and grab a smooth sandstone stair here, and we're going to put that upside down, facing outward, above the tire. So one here, and one on this side. Then 3 gray terracotta on each side behind that, and then another upside down stair above each of these tires, then 2 gray terracotta behind it on each side. Then a glow item frame on each side here and here, and on these corners we're going to put a mangrove sign on the sides. Then we're going to come up front. On this front middle, 2 blocks of coal and ladders on the front of them. Then a glow item frame on each side again. Then come behind it here in a 2x2 of gray terracotta. Now we'll come down to this rear end and put 2 smooth stone blocks in the center here. Then we're going to come up front on the side, put an acacia button here and here. Then across the top here, 4 dark oak trapdoors, 2 on the front middle, and a brown carpet on each side. Then, behind the trapdoors, we'll put 4 black stained glass panes. Then a black glass block on either side behind that. Now come inside on the left here, put a fence gate for a steering wheel, turn around and 2 mud brick stairs for seats. Then take black glass blocks, 2 wide in the center up here, and bring it till it's 1 block before the end. Then 2 black stained glass panes on the very back, and on each side a backward smooth sandstone stair. Come up here and put an upside down forward facing stair here and here. Then 2 black glass blocks here, 2 here. Then we're going to come up top. On either side of this front windshield we're going to put a brown carpet, 2 dark oak trapdoors in the center, and we'll cover the rest of the top of this with dark oak trapdoors till you get right here. Come on this side right here, and we're going to put 2 iron bars right here for an antenna. Then come to the rear end. We'll put a redstone block on these glow item frames. Right here a coal block with a button on it. Then next to it a mangrove sign. Then we need to come into a loom to make a banner here. We're going to use a yellow banner in gray dye. And we're going to put a border on it. Then a horizontal on bottom. And a horizontal in the center. And these are going to be for our headlights. So we'll come place one on each of these item frames up here. Then we're going to come here, put a polished blackstone button on the side here, and same thing on this side. Then in front of this, we're gonna put a temporary block here and put an angled wither skeleton skull, take out the temporary block and put a lever going to it. Then we just repeat the process right here on this side. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our little Ford Bronco build here. I hope you enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there.